Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Barbarian with the Small Business Superheroes here with the Rumble exclusive. We're going to talk for a minute about the Ugly Duckling Method. What is the Ugly Duckling Method? That is a method by which you separate yourself from people who gave you your original paradigm in order for you to go through a period of self-improvement. What does all of that mean? All right, let's break it down. There are people in your life who have decided who you are and have decided who you can be, and they are glad to remind you of who that person is anytime that you try to change. So in order to make changes that you want to make, to become the person that you want to become, you may have to separate yourself from them, because what did the ugly duckling do? The ugly duckling left and then came back later, a beautiful swan. So in order for you to become the person that you want to become, you will have to separate yourself, at least emotionally, from the good opinions of the people who decided who you are. That way you get to decide who you are and what you can accomplish. I don't necessarily mean physically leave and separate yourself, although some people do. Some people will take a time period and they'll hide away. Have you ever seen somebody who disappears for 6 months and comes back in great shape? That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. But you don't necessarily have to physically leave and separate yourself. What I mean is emotionally depart from your need for their approval. Separate yourself from their emotional control over you. And when you do that, you now have control over yourself. So you have the ability to decide who you are, go out and become that person, and then once you have become the person that you are, you can return to the fold and let people become acclimated to the new you. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.